whirling lights, cookies. Letters jump and run away. G. Ready starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. A, Mr. A, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the alligator's tail. Hide away. End of the trail. Mr. B, Mr. B, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the bear, so wide day. Got you, D, low place to hide. Mr. C, Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you, C, in one big dash. Hey! Mr. D, where are you?
Oh no!
Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the deer so fast. Got you, D, found you at last. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near elephant ear so big. Got you, E, do a happy G. Mr. F, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding on a lily leaf. Got you, F, quick and brief. Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind giraffe so tall. Got you, G, I saw it all. Mr. H, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in hippo water splash. When got you, H, in one fast dash. Say it to H, all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Kitty wins the alphabet thing. Jungle now is never the same. Mr. I, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in the bush so low. Got in near the jungle stone. Slithering under leafy gun. Got you, S, you're found instead. Mr. T, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding under leaves so wide. Got you, G, come outside. Mr. M, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no!
peekaboo. Swinging fast on jungle rope. Got you, and wild escape rope. Talking loud in jungle air. Jungle letters side by side. Edie searching every tree. Fun adventure, wild and free. Mr. Q, Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Gunning in the bush so small. Got you, Q, I saw it all. Onto our Mr. Goose not there. Oh no, 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 something's wrong. No rooster morning song. Meep, meep, meep. Farm is quiet, no alarm yet. No rooster voice to wake the farm yet. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns, this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Beep, meep, meep. Rooster tries but no sound comes then. Beak opens, he shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. No cock-a-doodle, nothing dares. Rooster voice disappeared in air. Kitty jumps, don't worry now. I will fix this, I know how. She checks the barn, looks left and right. Even asks the wind at night. Wind says maybe he's just shy. Kitty smiles, let's try. No cock-a-doodle, nothing bare. Finds the voice, let's find it slow. Kitty finds a tiny seed. Rooster swallowed while he ate feed. She laughs, oh I see the case.
No.
Voice is stuck in tummy space. Rooster looks so super sad. Kitty says, don't feel bad. Oh, all mystery found. Voice is hiding underground. Kitty brings a magic tea. Drink this slowly, trust in me. Rooster drinks, gluck, gluck, gluck. Then suddenly, Huga hug. Yolk stuck, cock-a-doodle. Morning sound is on the track. Animals wake with happy cheer. Morning sound is loud and clear. Meep, meep. Kitty smiles, problem done. Rooster shines like rising sun. Cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Light, 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 light,
I feel so down.
light. Now cock-a-doodle loud and bright. Farm is happy day and night. Now cock-a-doodle rooster voice to wake the farmer. Sun is up but lights feel low. Everyone whispers, where did he go? Kitty yawns,
no.
this is strange. Farm feels like it lost its change. No cock-a-doodle, oh so low. Farm forgot how mornings go. Meep, meep. Farm forgot how mornings go. Rooster tries but no sound comes. Slap beak opens. He shakes his head. Tries again but voice is gone like morning rain. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Rooster cries, I lost my sound. Echo only all around. Meep, meep, meep. Morning sound is on the track. Meep, meep, meep. Wow. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Lady Shark says no, no, no. I don't want to sleep right now. Rock, rock, lullaby. Kitty sings the moon so high. Baby shark jumps on the bed. Pillow bouncing on his head. Blanket flying through the air. Toys and bubbles everywhere. He says, I'm not sleepy now. Then makes funny sharky sounds. No, 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 don't sleep yet, guys. Baby sharky's jumping set. Kitty walks in soft and slow. Moonlight starts to gently glow. Tiny stars float in the room. Kitty hums a sleepy tune. Baby shark still wiggles fast. Kitty smiles and sings at last. Rock, rock, sleepy night. Close your eyes and hug tight slide. Kitty sings la la loo. Magic sparkles shining blue. Clouds are floating way up high. Sleepy moon lights up the sky.
Oh no.
Baby shark slows down a bit. Yawns and stretches tiny fins. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Thrippy shark knows where baby shark now snores so sweet. Tiny tail under the sheet. Kitty smiles and tucks him in. Magic lullaby rings again. Moon and stars shine way above. Nighttime filled with sleepy love. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Sleep, sleep, close your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle in the skies. Sweet dreams, lullaby saves the day.
Oh, no.
Sweet dreams now, hip, hip, hooray. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! Happy birthday to you, Uttari. Happy birthday! Woo-hoo! But wait, wait, wait. What's that sound? Kitty's cake is dancing round. Shake, shake, shake. Spin around. A crazy cake is bouncing round. Pretty's birthday starts today. Balloons and candy everywhere. Presents stacked up by the wall. And friends are dancing big and small. Happy birthday, clap, 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 clap. Kitty wears a party hat. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Big, big cake sits on the stand. Kitty smiles and starts to dance.
no.
But suddenly the cake says hey, then jumps right up and runs away. Shake, 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 catch the cake. Don't let it escape today. Cake rolls fast across the floor. Kitty chases out the door. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Cupcakes bouncing left and right. Candles glowing super bright. Spin, 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 twirl around.
Oh, no.
Birthday magic all around. Cake spins like a disco ball. Frosting splashes on the wall. Sprinkles flying through the air. Kitty lights up out of care. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woohoo. Spin, 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 twirl around. Birthday magic all around. Cake slows down and starts to sing. Happy birthday, Kitty Queen. Kitty hugs the magic cake make blood. Then they eat a giant slice. Happy birthday, hooray, hooray. Kitty's party saved the day. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday.
Oh, no.
Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday to you, Erkai. Happy birthday. Woo-hoo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Dancing cake and kitty too. Zaidi, iron train. Wow. Oh, it's 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. Chuck, 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 going through the rain. Hear, har, here, and stomp, stomp there. Dino, chaos everywhere. Riding on a train. Choo, choo, choo. Kitty driving fast, you know. You know. 5 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One slipped down and bumped his brain. Kitty called the owl, and the owl then said, no more dinos jumping on the train. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. Riding on a train. Hip, choo, cow. 4 little dinosaurs. Bingo. 4 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One went wild and broke the chain. Kitty called the monkey, and the monkey then said, stop the dino shaking the train. Choo, choo, train. Choo, choo, choo. Funny dino train. Quack, quack, quack. Hee-haw. 3 little dinosaurs riding on a train. One got stuck in candy the train. Kitty called the panda, and the panda then said, no more candy on the train. Riding on a train. Sticky, sticky train. riding on a train. Two little dinosaurs. Meow! Little dinosaurs riding on a train.
Oh, no.
One pulled lever once again. The kitty called the thunder and the bunny then said, slow that crazy train right now. Fast, fast train. Crazy, crazy train. Vroom! While little dinosaurs riding on a train, he sneezed loud and cracked the pane. The kitty called the bunny and the bunny then said,